Well, as we head into the weekend, we are looking at some rain around the corner. Definitely could use that as we are still in severe drought in some spots. So before things get way too dry, we at least have a little rain to hold some of those conditions off. Most of that coming in as of tomorrow night, so not getting a ton of rain leading up to that point, which means the start of the weekend looking fairly dry. Now, as you saw, there's plenty of wild weather across the nation. We are staying warm enough that all we have to talk about is rain, but it is winter weather preparedness week in Illinois. So to round out the week, just going over some of the precipitation types you may hear about. Snow, of course, that's when it's frozen from cloud level all the way down to the ground. That's where we get the nice fluffy snow crystals from. For sleet, that is snow that falls, then melts before it gets to the ground, and then it refreezes. So it starts out as snow, turns into rain, turns back into ice, and that's where we get those ice pellets that really don't feel good to get hit with. And then freezing rain, we've got enough warm air that it's rain all the way down to the ground, but right at the ground it's freezing. So that's when that rain turns instantly into ice as soon as it hits things like your car or the road, which happen to be below freezing, causing that horrendous glaze of ice. It's just not fun to navigate. So hopefully we avoid a lot of that through the winter months. As we look at Exact Track radar, that storm system that's bringing the winter weather to Colorado moves to us. Now, we're going to be on the warm side of things. We don't have to worry about snow, but that's the source of our rainfall as we go through the weekend itself. You can see that the start of Saturday looking dry. We get into Saturday night, here comes the rain showers, and then they are out briefly Sunday morning. Low pressure still hanging around though, so that could result in some spotty sprinkles or drizzly conditions going into Sunday afternoon. So much of your day is going to be dry, but watch out for rain as we go into the evening hours. We're going to zoom in now on Future Track, giving you more of a local view. You can see that it's spotty light rain first. So even during the evening, there is going to be some dry time. It's just a bit hit or miss. So you'll see this on and off rain through about 10 o'clock. Then after that, some slightly heavier showers work in. So the end of Saturday night looking soggy. Rain is out briefly after midnight, and then by Sunday morning, as you can see, some spotty showers or some drizzly conditions every so often. May even be mixed with some sunshine, so we'll call it partly cloudy to mostly cloudy for Sunday, again with some scattered sprinkles. Temperature-wise, it's the middle to upper 50s, so a little warm for this time of year as we go through the weekend while we're trying to dodge those showers. By next week, possibly back into the 60s with some sunshine, then we cool back off again. Wednesday could bring some soaking rainfall, which our area could use, so we'll keep an eye out for that. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, late next week, more rain may be possible, and after several very dry months, it's kind of nice to see that November's bringing in at least a little more rainfall than the past few months combined.